Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Halim, metric number 14DET18F1011, program DET6A, company AHR Engineering Service Sendirian Berhad. For organizational background, AHR Engineering Service is a private company established by Mr. Husni. The company provides a service in the field of air conditioning, electrical repair, wiring and service. This company was established in 2009 with a small start in the Bandar Tenggara Kulai Johor. Mr. Husni is the company operator. In 2017, the company moved to Pagoh Muar Johor and began his full-time service with 2 full-time employees. As the number of employees increased, the business focus increased and expanded to repairing washing machine and service, repairing refrigerator, chiller and freezers, repairing, servicing, installing air conditioning and electrical wiring. For the weekly summary, the first week is the introductory week and the start of industrial training. From week 2 to week 12, I help with repair, working, cleaning, maintenance, inspection, the various house appliances such as washing machine, refrigerators, air conditioner, fans and many more. From week 30 to week 20, I continue my industrial training under an electrical engineering department at Polytechnic Merlimau because the company was closed. For the first technical report, it is related to a problem of the washing machine. Water does not enter and slowly enter the drum is one of the problems often reported by user of washing machine. If the causes of the water slowly or not entering the washing machine due to a closed filter, first, turn off and unplug the socket and close the water tap before starting. Second, unplug the water hose on the washing machine. The third step is using a plier, remove the existing filter in the hose connection. And the last step is wash the filter with the water and a brush. The image in this slide is an example to a filter image on a water hose. Next, the causes of the water does not enter and slowly enter the drum is a broken inlet water valve. Their function is to close and allow water to pass to fill the drum of the washing machine. This is a step of how to change the inlet water valve. First, turn off and unplug the socket and close the water tap before starting. Second, open the cover on the top of the washing machine. Third, inlet water valve is a component that is connected to the inlet water hose. Disconnect the wire which is connected to the inlet water valve. Next, remove the inlet water valve from its place. And then check using a multimeter and set it to 1 ohm. If the multimeter needles does not move, it means the inlet water valve is damaged. So it needs to be replaced with a new inlet water valve. Make sure the new inlet water valve is the same model as a damaged one. The image above is an example of an inlet water valve. The second technical report is a maintenance replacing ELCB. To know the ELCB is a good condition, press a T button on the ELCB. If no trip occurs, then the ELCB is damaged and need to be replaced. Work procedure for how to replace a broken ELCB. First, cut off and turn off the electrical power supply from the MCB, ELCB and main switch. Second, remove main fuse from a kilowatt-hours meters. Third, open the distribution board cover. Fourth step is disconnect all wires connected to the ELCB. Next, clip it on a bottom of the ELCB using a test pen. When the clip is open, remove the ELCB from the DB. After that, replace a faulty ELCB with an ELCB of the same sensitive value. Install a new ELCB on the DB. Push the clip on the ELCB upward to lock the ELCB on the DB. And the last is reconnect all wire to the ERCB. To check whether the installation is successful or not, first, turn on all the main switch, ERCB and MCBs. Second, reinstall the main fuse. Third, test a new ERCB by pressing a T button. If the ERCB is in good condition, it will trip. As you can see at the image of this clip, you can see a before and after you press the T button. And the last step is install the DB cover. The third technical report is a water does not come out when drained. When the drain function is pressed on a washing machine, the water does not come out, or the water comes out too slowly. This is because the drain pipe is already clogged, usually due to dirt sticking to it or including coins. First, identify the water damage. Empty the drum of washing machine and lay it down so that you can see more clearly from the bottom of the drum of the washing machine. Second, dust problems from washing product or coin, so please check the drain hose whether it is closed or not by changing the rubber of the pipe in a while opening. Second reason is that it is possible that the motor drain has been damaged. Check the wiring that flow down the drum using a voltage tester and check the motor drain. Second, using a multimeter, check the drain motor is still in a good condition or has been damaged. If the motor drain is damaged, replace a new one with the same model. There is a lot I have gained from industrial training over this 20 weeks. First, I had the opportunity to learn about some new courses that were not studied while in the polytechnic, such as air conditioning, customer service, and cost management. Next, I also get a student can feel the work environment in the real world of work. Next, can apply all the knowledge I have learned during my studies at a polytechnic. Next is to increase self-confidence when dealing with public and know how to interact properly. And the last one is able to complete a job or task and cooperate in doing a work given by a superior well and successfully. For my recommendation, I think firms need to make a promotion in all institutions of higher learning to introduce the firm and open up opportunities for more industrial trainers to undergo industrial training in this firm. Second, firms also need to provide more systematic task planning to students who will undergo industrial training. Third, introduce the company and the activities carried out to the student because there are students who do not know or recognize the activities carried out by the firm. And the last one is the company or firm must pay attention to the problem of students during industrial training. Since students are still new in the pre-employment world, then guidance and instruction as well as observation from the firm very much needed. In my conclusion, after undergoing industrial training for 20 weeks, I can learn a lot from all aspects related to the career of course I took in Polytechnic, which is electrical engineering. Students also learn from the experience that I can especially how to communicate with the superior and related parties. Also, a lot of useful experience, knowledge, and expose I was able to gain. Through this industrial training program, I have been exposed to the real-world form of work. In general, industrial training should be continued because it serves to provide a benefit to students in terms of knowledge about experience before setting foot in the real world of work. I am very grateful to AHR Engineering Service firm and the Polytechnic Merlimau Melaka who have helped me throughout this industrial training.